Hello guys, welcome to Tech D. In today's video, we are going to discuss about missiles. Missiles are rocket-propelled weapon designed to deliver an explosive warhead with great accuracy at high top speed. Missiles vary from small tactical weapons that are effective out to only 100 feet to much larger strategic weapons that have high range of several thousand miles. Now, what of type of the propulsion used in the missile? Missiles is the means of providing power to accelerate the missile body and sustain, if necessary, to reach the required target. The basis of the working of a missile propulsion system are well known as Newton's law of motion. Here, Newton's law plays a major role in propulsion system of a missile. First law of Newton's. A body continues in states of rest or in the motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. The second law of Newton's. The rate of change of momentum is proportional to the impressed force and takes place in the direction of the force. Third law of Newton's. Action and reaction are equal and opposite, that if a body exerts from a force on another body, the other body too exerts a force on the first body of the same magnitude but in the opposite direction. Types of propulsion system used in missiles: air breathing and non-air breathing. Now we are going to discuss about the components used in missile. A guided missile is typically divided into four subsystems: the airframe, guidance motor, and warhead. The guidance system consists of an seeker which helps to detect the object and to collide. The warhead, it contains of an explosive used to blast or to collide the object. Airframe is a frame which holds all the entire system of an missile. The motor is also known as propulsion system, used to propels the missile and to hit the target. Types of missiles. A tactical guided missiles are generally categorized according to the location of launch platform and target. Commonly, there are three types of launch platform and the types of missiles: air-to-air surface platform, air-to-surface platform, surface-to-air platform. Now, propulsion control and guidance. Although missiles can be propelled by either liquid fuel or solid fuel rocket engines, solid fuel is preferred for the military because it is less likely to explode and can be kept ready loaded for a quick launch. Strategic missiles, weapons to strike targets for a beyond battle area, or either to cruise or ballistic missile. A cruise missile or jet propelled at subsonic speed. Of the flights. While ballistic missiles are rocket powered only in the initial boost phase of the flight, after which they follow our earth trajectory of the target. Air-to-air missiles. An air-to-air missile AAM is a missile fired from an aircraft on purpose of destroying another aircraft. AAMs are typically powered by one or more rocket motors, usually solid fuel or sometimes liquid fuel. Ramjet engine, as used on Meteor, as emerging as a propulsion that will enable future medium ranging missiles to maintain higher average speed across their engagement envelope. Air-to-air missiles are broadly put in two groups: those designed to engage opposing aircraft at ranges of less than 30 km are known as short-range missiles and are sometimes called dogfight missiles because they are designed to optimize their agility rather than range. Most used infrared guidance are called as heat-sinking missiles. Some of the air-to-air missiles used in India are Akash, anti-tank missiles, tactical ballistic missiles, Agni series and Surya series, K series, BrahMos and Astra series. Air-to-surface missiles. An air-to-surface missile ASM or ground-to-surface missile AGM is a missile designed to launch from a military aircraft, a target on land or sea. They are also unpowered guided glide bombs, not considered as missiles. Types of ASM. There are most common propulsion systems from the air to surface missiles are ASM with rocket motors and ASM with ramjets. ASM with rocket motors. Usually, ASM with rocket motors are used for short term of distance to attack an object within the short range. ASM with ramjet engine. ASM with ramjet engine are used as a cruising missiles or long range missiles, which can be used to attack the missiles, attack the objects at the higher range at high speed. The last one, surface to air missile. A surface to air missile, SAM, is also known as ground to air missile, is a missile that is designed to launch from the ground to destroy an aircraft of the another missile. It is usually launched from a launching station or from a moving vehicle used to destroy an aircraft or another missile invading to our territory or boundary. Example, Iron Dome. Thank you. If you have any queries, please let us know in the comment box. And we have a PPT of the entire directory of a missile we have explained. We linked it to a description box.